Hey, this is Tech. In today's video, I'm just going to go over what my Bluetooth controller did for Tizen watches did. So, a few days ago, I realized that Samsung is no longer letting people publish and add apps to the Tizen marketplace for wearables, meaning watches, on the Samsung store. The Samsung store is pretty much used for exclusive Android apps for Samsung phones, watch faces, and watch apps until they shut it down. But I believe it's still used in countries like China where Google Play services doesn't work. So I will be open sourcing this app that I've been working on that I wasn't able to publish. So first of all, if you want to go to the quick settings, you cannot really add any more that aren't in the system, but you could edit the order and change it. There's one for Wi-Fi and there's not one for Bluetooth, but they added that in Wear OS, so it's a good thing. But I was developing apps and also I was switching off between networks, and sometimes when my phone battery is low, I would have to dig through the settings in the watch to shut off Bluetooth. So I basically built this app and then it does the Bluetooth in as few steps as possible. I couldn't get any less than this because of developer permissions. You would need to have root access to the phone to the watch, and Samsung is not gonna let people do that. So this is as close as I could get. So you click toggle Bluetooth. When it's on, it opens the setting and then you could shut it off. And then I'm just gonna go back. Now that Bluetooth is off, now it goes on, then now you're able to do it in one click. Allow Bluetooth to turn on, and in one click, it's back on. So let's try to go to the settings. Sometimes it doesn't work. There we go. And now you can see it's on. And then additionally, at night, I like to have the grayscale feature. So you could go click accessibility, visibility enhancements, and then grayscale to turn it on. And that will just be a static button, unlike the toggle Bluetooth, which changes based on the state. And then I also found visibility, which gives you vision and screen reader. So I just added it just for the sake of adding it. Now you get the MAC address for the Wi-Fi part if the Wi-Fi is not connected. If Wi-Fi is connected, you will see the IP address of the device here. And you get the battery life. You could also get the battery health, but I took that out just because I wasn't using it all the time. And that's pretty much it for the app. I will post a link to the GitHub where you could check out the code and download it if you really like to. Take care and subscribe for more.